Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be discussing the main difference between shallow copy and deep copy. So let's take an example here. I'm going to create a list one, which is going to be a nested list. So let's call list one equals. We will create a list which is going to have two nested lists. So let's pass list one of 1 comma 2 and let's pass 3 comma 4. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll import a module called copy. So from copy, import copy. Now what I'll do is I'll just create the copy of list one. I'll call this copy as list two. We will call this copy function and we will pass list one. And now we will print list one, and we will pass list one. We will also print list two and we will pass list two. Okay, if I execute this, we get the output as list one as this, list two as this. So it works, right? So now what I will do is I will try to add a value 5 to the second nested list of list 2. We will try to add a value 5 to the second nested list of this list 2. Okay, so list 2 also looks the same as list 1. So let's do that. So let's list 2 of 1 dot append 5. Okay, let's print the same. Let's print list 1 as well as list 2. Okay, let's also print some dotted lines as well. Okay, if I execute this, we get the output like this. We have added value 5 only to the second nested list of list 2 only. But we are also seeing this value 5 in the second nested list of list 1 as well. So what went wrong? What happened here? So here we are using copy method, which is a shallow copy method. So what shallow copy method does is it is only going to create a new instance of the parent list, so which is this outer list, but it is going to be re-referencing the same nested lists which are present in the list one as well. So that's the reason why when you add value to the second nested list, you get that same value in the nested lists of list one as well. So if you add, even if you add list 2 of 0, and if you append let's say 6, so 6 will be added to here to this list, but you will also see that 6 in this list as well. So if I execute this, here we can see we got 6 in both the nested lists of list 1 as well as list 2. So in shallow copy, it is going to re-reference the nested lists, but it only creates the new instance of the parent list only. So now in order for us to avoid this issue, what we can do is we can import deep copy. So let's import that deep copy. Okay, instead of calling this as copy, we will call this deep copy and we will pass list one. Okay, now when I add values to the nested list of list 2, so here I'm adding um, 5 as well as 6 to the 5 to the second nested list of list 2 and 6 to the first nested list of list 2. And if I execute this, we can see 6 and 5 are only added to the nested lists of list 2, whereas in list 1 it is same as the previous value. Okay, so that's the main difference between deep copy and shallow copy. Okay, in shallow copy, whenever you try to create a copy of nested list, it is only going to create a new instance of parent list. but it is going to re-reference the nested lists which are present in the main list, okay, list one. Whereas in deep copy, it is also going to create a new instance of nested lists as well. Okay, so that's why you always have to, whenever trying to create a copy of a nested data structure, always use deep copy instead of shallow copy. I hope this was clear to you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care.